Hello everybody, I wanted to do a follow-up on my first video of the M416 Overland trailer build. I've got it to the point where I'm going to call it stage 1 is completed. And I'll kind of give you a little tour. I left the tongue the way it was. I will eventually, probably next winter, cut that off and go ahead and put a three-way swivel on it and go that route. I put on a 7-pin plug. I actually had to add that to the Jeep on there. This panel, I put it on so I could control all the lights, the refrigerator, and everything. I've got a trickle charger on here, so it's always ready to go. Just show you inside of the box. Got battery, shut off, distribution box. I got a little level so I can level the trailer when I put it in, and then there's the back side of that box. And then going through the back with the connectors. And yes, I know I used home style connectors, but you know, that's what I've got. Sometimes that's what you got to do when you're, you know, trying to get things done at a low cost. I do have an inverter setting in over there in case I ever do need something with 110. The Smitty built Overland tent folds out to the direction we are now. I'm not too sure if I'm not going to turn that either forward or make some changes there just because of the weight on the trailer and everything. I did get these off Marketplace. They came off of a new camper that the guy upgraded and went to a larger size. So I got those at a really good price. These were from Camping Concepts. He's out in Oregon, I believe. He made those for me, and I put 3 sets of them on with crisp bars, and then I made a bar to go in between with some angle so I could put the rack on. This is just a Harbor Freight hitch rack that I took the center section out of it and just bolted it together and re-drilled the holes. I've put in lights here, here, and for the tailgate, which I built the tailgate in. 2 jacks on the back. I used some lights that I already had. The military lights were broken on the bottom. I was really wishing I could reuse those, but didn't work out that way. Put the little latches on there and got it where it comes down. I've got my refrigerator in there already. My boxes and things that I have my camping gear in. In the very front of this, I've got the spare tire. So it will, chains are wanting to come down the side on me. Haven't quite figured that one out yet. But anyway, the hitch I welded in the back, it goes all the way up to the next cross member. And just a little bit of a recovery point. I mean, you know, if you get in really bad trouble, I don't think I would use it, but it's enough that if you get, you know, a high-centered, something like that, that's an easy pull. You can get that right out by pulling backwards. I did bed line the outside of it, and I did use the rubberized bed liner on the inside, and so it worked out pretty well. On both sides here, I have got the same rock lights that I actually used on this. There's one inside of the bed to turn on, and like I said, those are all controlled up here. So guys, let me know what you think. Stage 2, I want to put slides in the back, do the tongue. I put the tarp on thinking that I would really like that. I'm not a big fan, not as big a fan of it as I thought I would be, so I will probably be building a top on it next winter also. Anyway, let me know in comments what you think. Thanks for watching.